Welcome back to the Wholesale Connection Quick Guide series. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of completing your profile after account registration. Once you're on the website, head over to the top menu and click on My Account, then go to your dashboard and from there select Profile. Now it's time to enter your information: first name and last name company, VAT number company, registration number website link. If you have one, add it here. Telephone number eBay shop and Amazon shop. If you don't have any, just type NA. Create a strong password, then confirm the same password again. Once all the details are filled in, click on Sign Up or Save. And just like that, your profile is now complete. Thanks for following along. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides from Wholesale Connection. See you in the next video.